Hey guys, welcome back to the Boetker Channel. Today we're going to be working on a wood rack. It's going to be sitting on casters. And so basically what I got going here is my garage has two 7-foot workbenches that run the whole length of the garage, more or less. Basically what that is for me is a junk drawer. All my stuff gets piled up on it and I can't find anything, and I'm trying to sort the garage out. So I managed to clear off that bench and I don't need it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tear it apart, and we're going to use the wood and put together a wood rack that's going to sit on the opposite side of the garage. So where all my plywood and stuff is right now, that's where all that that's where that wood rack's going to go. That way I can pull it out, wheel it around, and get to all the wood in the back. So let's get started. Alright, so I finally got the carriage bolts out of there. They were pretty corroded and stripped out and just didn't want to come out of there. So got most of them out, then I had to beat on a few of them and cut a couple of them with Sawzall. But anyway, we got them all out. I'm going to use that piece of, it was actually an old concrete door. It was the workbench top. I'm going to flip it upside down, lay it on here, and attach everything to that. I think it's one of those old fire doors out of a school, so I'm assuming it's made with concrete in the center. But we'll do that instead. Alright, real quick, I put the top on, I forgot. I've got to put 2x4 blocks in here on all four corners so that my caster wheels have something to mount to. I'm also putting walking casters on it, that way I don't have to worry about it rolling around. So I put the base together. I'll show you real quick. Got that all done, screwed down. I put some extra screws. Where this box was nailed together, I popped a couple screws in it just to reinforce that. Basically I had one 2x6 cut to two 3-foot sections, and then I had this leftover scrap. I ripped this thing in half at an angle so that what I'm going to be doing here is basically this board is going to sit and it's going to rock back. So this is going to come the same. I'm going to attach it to the back and then miter this on the angle that I want so that the board leans back, and this will reinforce it. Okay, so what I've done is I've measured 20 inches from the edge in, and then 8.5 inches from this back edge here in, and that will give me where I want this to sit on both sides. I started working on this box that goes on the end here. Cut the pieces, some of the pieces I gotta put together. This is gonna be for storing vertical, short pieces of wood. You can just stack them up in there. Well guys, there you have it. I may or may not be adding the second box down here for wood storage. Right now I got my welder there, and I may be putting a couple shelves in here to store wood too. I'm not sure yet, but so far it's what I got. Casters work really nice. I just picked them up from Home Depot or Lowe's. I don't remember which one it was, but anyway, it's awesome. The whole thing just moves around pretty easily. Store all my drywall, plywood, everything up there, gets it out of the way and gets it off the ground, and works out pretty good. Hey guys, if you like this video, go ahead and click like below. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe. There's going to be a subscribe button right up here. If you click that, you can subscribe to my channel and see the rest of my videos. For those of you guys who have just recently subscribed, I really appreciate that. Appreciate the support. Everybody that's been liking the videos I've posted recently, I really appreciate all that in the comments. If you have any questions about how I built this wood rack, go ahead and just type a comment down below and I'll try to get to it as soon as possible. And I'll try to get videos up every week. So see you guys in the next video.